Hello friends, welcome back to Power BI Masterclass series. Now in this video, we will create a dashboard using the measures that we created in the previous videos. So let's see how we can do this. For that, first you can change the theme based on your requirements. So here I used this black theme. I just want this theme. It looks nice. Now what I'll do, I'll add a title here. For that, I'll go to insert and I'll add a text box here. So I'll say this is, let's increase the size first. Font size, let's say 24. And I'll say the final, the final report. Let's make this here. Yeah. Now I'll go to format and I'll say align at the center. Yes. And let's make it bold. Let's select this and let's make this bold. This is the title that we have here. Let's make it just uh, just it here. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll add some fields here, like some visuals. So let's add a, a donut chart here. So let's say I want the category wise total sales. So you can see we have the total sales by the category, and here we have the amount as well as the percentage of the total sales. I just want the percentage of total sales, so I'll just format it here. I'll go to detail label and label contents, and I'll say percentage category percentage of totals. Yes, this one. And let's change this legend position here. I'll say bottom center. And let's just adjust it here. And let's increase the values size also. Let's say data labels, sorry, values, and I'll say 11. Let's say 11. Yeah, just adjust it here. And let's make this title in the center. To title and make this in the center. So so we have the total sales by the category. Now let's add a card here. It should be displayed here. So before that, what I'll do, I'll remove the background of this visual. I'll go to here and effects and I'll say background off. So we have the total sales by category. Now let's add a card here, and here I'll add total sales. So we have this total sales card, and here I'll remove the category label, and let's reduce the callout value. Let's say 26. Let's adjust it here. Yeah, let's make it 25. Yeah, 24. 24 looks nice. And for this also we remove the background. You can see it is in the middle only. Now what I'll do, I'll select this visual and this visual, and I'll format it and I'll group it. You can see if I can drag these visuals and drop it anywhere in this page. Now what I'll do, I'll add my KPIs. So let's add a multi KPI row card, and here we add let's say total amount and the total sales, and we add total sales last year's. Let's adjust it here, and let's format this to dollars. Yeah, say 0. Yeah, and for this total sales also we say 0 only. Let's make this values as a bold, so it should be highlighted. Yeah, you can see. And for this categories labels also, we make it as a bold. Yeah, and let's make this total amount also as a dollar. Yeah. Now we created a KPI and we have the visual total sales by category. Now let's create another visual, which is the customer countries, because we have the customer from all over the world. So what I'll do, I'll add a shape map here, and I'll add my customer country column where we have the customers countries locations there. So I'll select this. You can see it is not displaying here. Why? Let's see. I'll go to format options, map settings, and here you can see the map type. It says as a USA states, and here we don't have the world level, like worldwide map. So we add a custom map here. So I'll select a custom map, and I'll say add map from my browser, and I have this world countries map, and you can also download this world countries map. This is a JSON file from the description below, or you can download it from the Google. You can see this is the world map. Now what I'll do, I'll change this projection to, let's say, orthographic, so it is kind of a globe. Yeah, this looks nice. Let's format it more. Map settings, and I'll make auto zoom off on, and zoom on selection is also on. Now if I select this, it will be zoomed. You can see, and you can see this here. It says United States of America, and we have the sales figures for USA, but it is not reflecting here. So we need to rename our data. So what I'll do, I'll go to table view, and you can see we have the customer country name as USA here. We need to change this to United States of America. So I'll go to report view again, and I'll go to transform data. So where we have this customer country column, so we have this customer country column. I'll select it, and I'll say transform, replace values, and I'll say search USA and replace with United States of America. America, and I'll say okay. I'll just close and apply. Now it should be highlighted here. Let's see. I can see it is highlighted. Yeah. Now what I'll do, if I just select this, let's select USA. You can see USA. You can see just this. This is not reflecting here. What I'll do, I'll go to format, edit attractions. Yeah, and I'll say filter this visual also. I can see if I select this, this is Canada, and it is also reflecting here. Nice. Now let's adjust this here. But it's not selecting. Yeah. Okay, I'll need to. I'll just make this return interactions off first. Yeah, and adjust it here. Let's remove the background also. Now if I select this, it is reflecting, and we have the KPIs also reflecting here. Let's see. Yeah, and Brazil. Yes. Now what I'll do, I'll just add a final visual for this. So that should be my customers names. So let's add a bar chart here, cluster bar chart. Let's say customers company, and I want their total sales. Let's just adjust it here. 24 looks nice. Yeah, final report, and we have this, and just adjust it here. And let's format this also. And what I'll do, I'll add a data label for this. Make it on, and let's increase the value of it. Let's say 11, and also these values. So this is in the in the y-axis. So I'll need to go to y-axis, and I'll increase the value of it. 11. Yeah. Now you can see, if I select this quick stop company, customer company, you can see it is this is not reflecting. We need to filter this also. What I'll do, I'll go to format. It is format, edit interactions, and I'll say format, filter this also. I'll select this, and I'll want to filter this. Let's see, is filtering or not. Yeah, it is not doing. Maybe this is colliding with each other. So let's do it once again. Edit interactions, and I'll say filter this also. Yeah. Now I will just adjust it here. Now let's select quick stop customer company. Yeah, you can see quick stop generating more sales in Germany, and their category wise total sales. Let's select another one. Let's say Hanari Carnes, this one, and you can see this is from countries from Gazelle and Brazil, and their total sales by category. Now let's see in which country, which are the customers, and what are their sales by categories. So let's see. So I'll select United States of America. You can see for America we have these customers and their total sales by the categories. So let's see for other. Let's see, this is from Brazil. So I selected Brazil. So we have for Brazil we have 3 to 4. Yeah, we have these many customers, and we have their total sales by category. So let's see for other also. Let's select Italy. So this is Italy, and for Italy we have two customers. Yeah, we have 3 customers, and we have the total sales they are generating by categories.